Hello friends, this is CA Shilpa Shingare here. Through this video, I would like to update you with the provisions of nomination of your flat in the cooperative housing society. This is one of the area, nomination, transfer of flat, transmission of flat. These are the regular queries, or this is the issues or the litigation issue in most of the housing societies. Personally, I get queries, mostly queries on this part: transmission, transfer, transmission and nomination. So we'll try to find out how we can deal with this issue. Nomination. As you know, each and every member of the housing society should opt for the nomination for their flat. What we find in audit, while doing the audit, most of the flat owners, they have not placed their nomination forms on the records of the society. Now, for the society management committee, they can give a service, or they can just as a value added service, they can just go on insisting the member to have their nomination on record, but they cannot pursue, they cannot mandate them or make it compulsory to have the nomination. So I keep telling the society members also and the committee members also that kindly ensure that all the flat owners would have the nominations in place or on the records of the society, because the issue comes if there is no nomination and transmission has to happen, or the transfer of flat has to happen. Now the question is, which is the form for nomination? The form for nomination is form 13, which you can take from any of the federation, or even your housing society can provide you that form 13. In triplicate you have to fill up the form and you have to submit it to the society, and you have to get one copy duly acknowledged from the society and place it in your important file. Now the next question is, who can do the nomination? Whether it is only the first member, who is the ordinary member, has to do the nomination, or if the share certificate is in joint name, so both of them they can do the nomination, or how it is, whether it is one nomination form or it is two nominations, or what is the status. Here I would like to advise the viewers that if a flat, if it is in joint name, I would advise that both the owners or both the share certificate holders, they can individually, here I am assuming that the joint holder of the share certificate is also owner of the property, so I would request all the joint owners to go for the nominations individually or separately, because if you see your bylaw, I think bylaw 32, it says a member and or the other members, that means your associate member, you can also go for the nomination. Nowhere in the bylaw it is specified that there should be only one nomination form. So if we take the example that a property or a flat is in name of Mr. A and Mrs. A. So now the question is how the nomination is to be done. Whether only Mr. A can nominate, whether Mrs. A can nominate, or Mr. A and Mrs. A, both of them they can nominate. So the answer, this is my opinion, and rather this is the answer that I would advise, rather it is being advised that Mr. A for his 50% of the share and Mrs. A for her 50% of the share, they should have a separate nominations on record to avoid any future litigation with respect when the legal hairs comes into picture. So kindly advise all your members, your committee members should see to it that all the members in the society will place their nomination on record, and you can advise them even to go for the separate nomination if the flat is in joint name. The first nomination is free. The subsequent nominations, if you want to change the nominee, you can do n number of times, you can change your nominee. You can even, and there is no hard and fast rule that the nominee has to be a legal heir. You can even nominate your friend to be your nominee, but after your death, the society has to transfer the share in the name of the nominee, but the nominee doesn't become the owner of that property. So there is a difference between membership and ownership, which will deal in our other video, the next video, right? So here I will just sign off saying that I would advise all the viewers to kindly nominate the members or the family members or the legal heir or whosoever you want to nominate, but kindly have nominations on record, even if it is a separate nomination for whatever ratio you are sharing the property. Please place the nominations on record with the society to avoid future litigation. Thank you. Friends, you can follow me on my blog, that is CA Shilpa Shingare Real Cooperative Info blog. So if you have any queries or any doubts, you can very well put your queries there, and I would definitely try to respond those queries, and it would be my pleasure rather to address your issues and queries. Thank you.